Hi, this is Rachel from TheRLSLife. I wanted to come in here and show you some styles. I hope to show you at least 5 microloc styles that you can wear on a daily basis. Let's go ahead and get started. So there are different there's this one, which is my favorite one because it's loose. I have this one, which is a little tighter. I have a small one. And then there's this big giant one, which I rarely use. But today, for this particular hairstyle, because this is one of my favorite hairstyles, I'm gonna use the loose one because all it takes is one up and then we're good to go.
I hope y'all like and subscribe for my channel once you're done.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Hopefully they do.
I like this particular hair tie because it allows my hair to sit just the way I want it to sit in the style, and it doesn't make it too tight at the top of my head.
How can you go wrong? You can't go wrong with this. I'm gonna take a few of them down. Style number 1. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. On to the next style. Okay, remember, you cannot go wrong with a good old bust down. You know what I'm saying?
For my next style,
some up and some down. You can never go wrong with some up and some down. I'm still using this one, the bigger one. And I'll just go around it one time.
Whoa! That's cool.
Yeah. Depending on the day, I would just pull the hair up, not leave the front down, and just let the front fall. Sometimes that'll work too. One of my favorite hairstyles is a flip over, I guess you could call it. Where you just turn, just look at it. When you just give, all you gotta do, take a second. Let me find my part. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Just a second and flip that bad boy over.
Flip that bad boy over.
Where you going? Anywhere. Again, my stretchy one.
and I proceed to pull a few of the locks to the back so I can secure it with this tie.
And then also, look at my mirror behind me, so bear with me. Just take a little bit more hair from the side.
Mommy.
And tuck it in there.
My next style, I am going to do a low-ish ponytail. My hair isn't long enough in the top yet, but I still try to do low ponytails because I just think it's so cute and classy. And my point to this video is a few different ways that you can style your hair that doesn't require a lot. Microlocs you can change and go through different styles quickly and easily.
And if you want, get you a little headband or a little headband. And there you go.
If you've made it this far, thank you for watching me and my sidekick. She's always there. I hope you were able to gather some additional insight on styling your microlocs, whether you have them or thinking about getting them.
Quick styles that'll get you out of the door in less than 5 minutes. Let me know which one is your favorite. I appreciate your time.
And like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.